I'm Dan Johnson, and I did my presentation on ice cream sales versus temperature. I just want to give a formal shout out to my friend Gary, who sits behind me. What's up, Gary? This is the chart I found regarding the connection between ice cream sales and temperature, and found that the higher the temperature, the higher the sales of the ice cream would increase. Using the information from the previous slide, I constructed and plotted all the points on this graph using the x-axis as temperature and the y-axis as sales, and I used the 2 points right here and right here on the best fit line to use in my equation. I used the 2 points on the best fit line previously, which would be 53.42 and 185 and 65.3 and 406 for my equation, and use the other equation x2 minus x1 over y2 over y1 to find my slope, which is right there. Once I found my slope, I used the other equation y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. After plugging in all the information, the final equation before being reduced was y minus 185 equals 0.537. 0.537 is the slope 11.88 over 221 reduced, x minus 185. The final answer to that equation was y equals 0.0537x plus 175.0655. Using that equation right here, I should be able to plug in any temperature and be able to find the sales outcome for that temperature. By plugging in 50 degrees into the equation from the previous slide, I found out that the sales from that day, if it was 50 degrees outside, would be 177.7507. Going back to my graph, I found that this point would be accurate in the graph.